If you find yourself needing to appeal a payment dispute on PayPal, this guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. Follow these steps to effectively submit your appeal. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Access your PayPal account by entering your email and password. Make sure you are using the account associated with the dispute you wish to appeal. Step 2. Navigate to the Resolution Center. Once logged in, locate the Resolution Center link, usually found in the top menu. Click on it to access the area where you can manage disputes and claims. Step 3. Find your dispute. In the Resolution Center, look for the section labeled Disputes. Here, you will see a list of your current disputes. Click on the specific dispute you want to appeal. Step 4. Review the details. Carefully read through the details of the dispute and the initial decision made by PayPal. This will help you understand the reasoning behind the decision and prepare your appeal effectively. Step 5. Submit your appeal. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Once you have submitted your appeal, keep an eye on your email for updates from PayPal regarding the status of your case. Good luck!